Place your hands back. 3, 2, 1, go!
Attention racers in waiting. Stealth is one speedy ride. So as soon as those gates open, we need y'all to move super quick.
Forward, 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go!
We'll check you are secure and ready to accelerate to 80 miles per hour in 1.8 seconds. What a race! Now undo your seatbelts, push your bars up, and exit to the left-hand side.
Place your heads back. Face forward, 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go!
Attention racers in waiting. Stealth is one speed.
To fill the train, all riders must be...
Place your heads back. Face forward, 3, 2, 1, go! 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 Forward, 3, 2, 1, go! 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 Place your hands back. Face forward, 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go!
Just won't go away. The Lazarus are a non-profit organization dedicated to the Stealth Challenge. Maybe you just